What's going on, guys? This is Landon with Aqualux Auto Detailing. Hope y'all are having a happy Monday. I wanted to go over something that bugs me a lot. I'll bring y'all in, but it's a faded trim, plastic, however you want to call it. To keep this like I guess you can say neutral zone. We'll see what the before and afters. I'm going to put product A on this one, and then I'm going to put product B right here. As you can see, it's just, this stuff is just hammered. It's our 2003 Honda CR-V. Doesn't get much love. It's my test vehicle for almost everything I do, but it's kind of nice because it's mobile. So, I mean, that works in my world. So I know a lot of people have some test panels on sawhorses and stuff like that, but I'm very grateful that this one moves around for me. So hopefully y'all had a great weekend. We did. And I'm going to apply this one right here, and we'll just look at it and give it time to work, and I'll let y'all compare the results. Not really concerned about being a perfectionist on this one. I'm just kind of wanting y'all to see the two different options. This product, it costs right around $20, $25. I don't know, it's something like that on Amazon, but it really does a great job of bringing back the color and the life, and doesn't look like your trim's gonna fall off whenever you're driving around. So instructions say to leave it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes, so I'm just trying to get a nice even coat for y'all and make sure it looks pretty decent. I'm not trying to overthink the moment and just keep it simple, stupid. I think that's something I learned from the Marine Corps and apply it in daily life, is keep it simple, stupid, and I guess don't overthink the moment. It's really easy to do sometimes, and if it works in your world, great. Some people may like this product, some may not. That is a-okay. There's nothing wrong with having a product you like. I know some people like to try to bash, and you may get haters, but you know what? If you like your product, you know, like your product, be you. There's nothing wrong with that at all. It's a beautiful thing, so that's why it's awesome. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. I'll just shut up. But anyways, I think that looks pretty good right there. I'm going to let that sit, and I'm going to get on to the next one. Let me cap this up really quick. And then the next one, it's out of a spray can. It's something that works pretty good. I'm going to cover this up so I don't get any overspray. We're going to put it on this side right here. And God bless. Look at that. Man, that already is looking amazing. I think I'm getting some pollen flying around, but oh well, welcome to Texas. It's always got pollen flying around, or tree branches. We had a nasty storm about a week ago. Alright. Says do a nice, even coat. And this one's, it normally lets you dry it to the touch in about, I think it says, dries the touch in 30 minutes. So if I said 10 minutes, I'm sorry. So shake it up for a minute and just let it do its thing. I think I got a spot right here. I'm gonna try to hit that again really quick before it dries. I really like the nozzle on this. It's very, very friendly. And I'm not trying to get any dripping going on. Granted, I'm doing this at an angle while I'm trying to watch myself. That's something they don't tell you about in YouTube videos. One, I really don't like talking to the camera. I feel really weird. So it's like, hey everybody, but nobody's there. And two, you're like trying to like play this left-right game. Like, which one is it? Which one am I doing? So, and trying to give you guys a good view. So, all right. So, product A, product B, and I'm gonna zoom in on a product B. I'm not trying to make this a super long video, but I think you'll kind of be able to tell the results for themselves. I'm kind of blind right now because I'm looking at a very bright screen with the sun hitting it. So I hope that gives you guys a good look on the 50-50 shot. Gonna let this side dry a little bit longer. I know for a fact this one is gonna dry quicker, and I don't have to do anything to it. This one I'm gonna wipe off and knock it down with a clean microfiber. I think it's been about 2 minutes, so we'll just call it good and knock it down. And I'll zoom y'all in again. So I'm not trying to beat too much pressure and just make it look pretty decent. I think it looks really good right now, actually. So I think that looks pretty good. It's gonna get some transfer. It's just part of it. So don't be alarmed if you see it. It's nothing Nothing bad. Normal, completely normal. So I think this is looking pretty darn good. So longevity on this stuff, it's hard to tell, but here I'll zoom you in, but you can tell it looks, I think that looks really good actually, especially for the age of the vehicle. And then this side, it's pretty much almost dry. So these are actually two of my probably favorite products. First one, sure some of y'all have already guessed it. It's a Solutions Finish. There we go. Get the camera right. Come on, Landon. There you go. Black trim restorer. And they sell a gray Solutions Finish also you can put on your trim, so to match it up with the gray trim that's out there. I haven't seen much of it actually in my detailing world. And the other one, maybe y'all know about this, and it's Dupli-Color trim and bumper paint. Really good. I want to say it's $8 or $9 at O'Reilly's, and best price I've seen on Solution Finish is close to $25. I think I want to say on Amazon, free shipping. So I'm gonna remove the tape, give you guys a really quick look at the before and after. I know that's something I love about auto detailing, is all the before and afters. It's something I think I live for, because it's very, very rewarding. So I'll let y'all take a peek, and I'll zoom in one more time. I'm not trying to make this video much longer. So alright, so here's Solution Finish right here on the left, and then we got the what it was, and then you got the excuse me, Dupli-Color trim paint, and that one looks good too. That one's actually, yeah, it's already dry to the touch. I think a little bit warm weather in here. So anyways, hope y'all have a great Monday, and I appreciate you guys tuning in. Thank you so much. Love y'all. Have a good week.